The ignition switch allows you to turn your small engine's ignition on and off. The ignition switch is a simple toggle switch. When the tool is running, the switch prevents current from flowing through it. When you flip the switch to the off position, it allows current to flow through, grounding the ignition coil to the tool's frame, stopping the flow of current to the spark plug. The most common symptom of a bad ignition switch is a tool that can be started, but then doesn't turn off when the switch is flipped. Replacing the ignition switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter and the motor housing. Now I have access to the switch. I'll remove the switch from the housing and disconnect the ignition wires. There's a rubber boot on the switch. I'll remove it and transfer it to the new switch. Now I can reinstall the wires and slide the switch back into the housing. Now I can reinstall the housings. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the starter. And that's all it takes to replace the switch in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.